bomb. That was a bomb. That was a bomb. Ah. That was a bomb. Need help.
Are you sure?
We need to go get help. Help! We need help over here!
This is John with security. Bomb went off at the autograph section. Grabbing the medical kit. Call EMS.
Wait, what can we do for you?
Everybody to the parking lot.
Yes, sir.
Wait, don't leave here. Wait, wait, don't go. Wait.
Here, please.
911 has been contacted, and a medical provider will be with you shortly. Please allow me to help you. Please put on the gloves, glasses, and the earpiece, and then select your emergency.
Okay, I can do that. Okay. Okay.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mullins, and I'm here to help.
Can you tell me what's happened?
There was a bomb. I don't know. This guy, his leg's been bleeding. I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Okay.
It's okay. We're gonna get through this. I'm gonna show you what to do.
Can you please show me the wound?
Yeah, I can do that. Okay.
Okay, that's a significant bleed.
I'm gonna order a bandage. It'll be in a flashing bin. Please watch the video guidance. You'll need to hold firm pressure.
All right, I see it. I can, yeah. Okay.
We need some help over here! Over here now, please! Okay, wait right here. I'm gonna go get help. I'll be right back, okay? Wait right here.
How's the bleeding stopped?
It won't stop bleeding.
Okay, you're gonna need to place a tourniquet.
I'm gonna line up the tourniquet bin. Follow the video guidance.
Okay.
Medical drone approaching. Medical drone acercarse. Please stand clear of the drone. Por favor, manténgase Medical drone acercarse. Please stand clear of the drone. Por favor, mantenerse alejado del dron médico.
They're medical cases. Grab one. Okay.
Has it stopped bleeding?
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
Okay, good. You'll need to place
The blood pressure cuff on the patient's arm.
All right.
911 has been contacted, and a medical provider will be with you shortly. Please put on the gloves, glasses, and the earpiece,
Okay.
and then select your emergency.
Hold on, I'm getting...
Okay, now. Okay, it's on.
Okay.
I'm receiving another call from the scene. I need to help someone else. Don't worry, I'll be here monitoring.
I'll be here. I'll be here.
HiRO, switch to the HoloLens.
Got help here. Okay, what next?
Hi, I'm Dr. Mullins. I understand there's been an explosion.
Can you tell me what's happening?
Yeah, there's been a bomb. My friend here, he's bleeding. I need help.
Okay.
Show me the wounds.
Sit still.
Your friend has a shoulder laceration. There's a bandage in the kit and the flashing bin. Follow the video for guidance.
Hold right here. Right here.
You've done a
Great job. I have to check on another patient. I'll be right here monitoring.
I'll check back in a minute. I'm detecting low blood pressure. You're going to need to put the patient in shock position.
Look around for a chair or a nearby object. I need you to prop his legs.
All right. Okay.
Ambulance is on.
Get his legs up. Get his legs up. No.
Did you bring your inhaler? Okay, what do we do?
Your friend is having an asthma attack.
Okay.
I'm opening the bin with an inhaler.
Okay, breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
He's still struggling to breathe. Do me a favor. Place the oxygen monitor on his finger.
Here, give me your hand. Okay, it's on his finger.
His oxygen levels are dropping.
He needs epinephrine. I'm opening an auto-injector.
Here. Ted, okay. Is that better? Okay, I did it.
Hey, you've done a great job with the paramedic. All right, he's conscious here. She's got the bleeding. Can you hear me? Check this guy. Can you hear me? Hey, buddy, can you hear us?
Great job. If you can, let's see if anyone else needs our help.